Okay, everyone, this is Jay Listings again here with our annual Transcendent case breaks. This is case number 3, 2021, Topps Transcendents. So we'll go ahead and get into this case. Hopefully you like these kind of breaks. If you do, definitely hit the like and subscribe button, and we will be doing more of them. So these boxes are really big, really heavy. So first off, we have the Transcendence VIP ticket, which there's one of these in the top of every case. So here's the ticket. It's an exclusive invitation VIP ticket, meet and greet with some of the players, get some swag. We went to a bunch of these this year because of COVID, canceled them last year. This one says RSVP by March the 4th, so I'm assuming sometime, April, May or something like that for the event. Let's see. So let's go ahead and get into here. Case number 94 out of 95. So in the case, we'll open it up here. So this is a set of 50 icons cards, just base cards, no autos, just base. It's numbered 94 of 95, just like the case. So I won't be opening these, but if you want to see what's in there, I did do one video with opening just these things. They're all the same, so that's why I don't open them. So here's our 50 autos. Okay, so first, without any further ado, we have Aaron Judge out of 20, 7 out of 20. So the way they work, they have out of 20, out of 15, and out of 10, and then one of ones. So here we have Adrian Beltre, 4 of 20. Now there are going to be some that are vertical, some that are horizontal. Pujols out of 20, 6 out of 20. In each of the variations. So Alex Bregman, this is 1 of 10. McCutcheons, 9 of 10. We got a Bo Jackson, 11 of 20. Bryce Harper, 15 of 20. So if you are interested in any of these, by all means, hit me up on Instagram, YouTube, eBay, Jaya Listings. Here's an out of 15 Cal Ripken. That's number 12 of 15. So all these will be available. If you're interested, definitely let me know. We can work something out. Carlton Fisk, 9 of 10. So usually you get 2 1-of-1s per box. So here's 1 of 20, Carly Yastrzemski. Casey Mize, 4 of 15. These are in alphabetical order too. So Chipper Jones, 2 of 15. So if you pass your player in the alphabet, then he's not going to be in your case usually. Christian Yelich, 13 of 20. Well, here's our 1 of 1. One of them, Corey Seager. Christian Pache, 8 of 20. Nice looking card there. Nice rookie. We have a Dave Winfield. Dave Winfield, 12 of 20. Here's our Derek Jeter, 15 of 15. eBay 1 of 1 if you do that kind of thing. I don't like it, but some people do. Oh, here's a Don Mattingly, 1 of 1. That's a nice looking card. Dylan Carlson, 2 of 10. Another nice looking rookie card there. We got Freddie Freeman, 4 of 15. We have George Springer, 14 of 20. We have Greg Maddux, 6 of 20. Matsui, 8 of 20. Ichiro, 10 of 10. Another eBay 1 of 1, people. It's a very nice looking card though, like the purple. Jim Tomei, 2 of 15. We have Joey Votto, 7 of 15. Nice looking green card there. Johnny Bench. Johnny Bench is number 8 of 15. Jose Altuve, 9 of 20. Sorry, Jose Abreu. So Jose didn't look at the card. Gotta look at him next time. Josh Donaldson, 19 of 20. Hayes, rookie, out of 20. This is number, looks like 17 of 20. There's a nice King Griffey Jr., number 4 of 15. Nice looking card there. So in the beginning, I was going to say something. I was going to say, man, we're getting a lot more. So here's Luis Robert, 11 of 20. A lot more of the vertical than the horizontals, but that changed. Manny Machado, 5 of 20. Miguel Cabrera, 16 of 20. Mike Piazza, 9 of 10. Nice looking card there. Mike Schmidt. Mike Schmidt, number 2 of 15. Nolan Arenado. Nolan Arenado, 10 of 10. eBay 1 of 1. Nomar Garcia, 4 of 20. Now it's going to be interesting to see here because we got our 1-of-1s really early on. Usually if you do that, you might get 3 in the box. So hopefully we get 3 this time. Paul Goldschmidt, 12 of 15. Pedro Martinez, number 1 of 10. I'm just going to have to stop saying eBay 1-of-1 here. Okay, Pete Alonso, 18 of 20. Reggie Jackson, number 11 of 15. Ricky Henderson, number 8 of 10. Robin Yount, 2 of 15. There's a nice looking green card there. Looks like Roger Clemens, number 13 of 15. We have a Ryan Sandberg, also number 13 of 15. And there's a nice Ohtani, 17 of 20. That's a very nice looking card right there. Steven Strasburg, 1 of 20. Vladimir Guerrero Jr., 6 of 20. And no, we did not get 3 1-of-1s, but that's all right. Wade Boggs, 7 of 10. So let me put these to the side here. Okay. We got those to the side. Now we're getting to what you really want to see, I think. So first off, we have our sketch, 1-of-1. Tony Gwynn with the autograph of the illustrator on the back. Tony Gwynn, nice looking card there. So this is our 1-of-1, and that's going to be a Ronald Acuna Jr. 1-of-1 auto. And that's the 2013. It's a nice looking card there. And now our Deco Gold. Deco Gold is Chipper Jones. Chipper Jones, 1-of-1. It's a pretty nice looking Deco Gold there. I like it. Okay. So here we go. We have our super and our patch auto to go. And our super is going to be Roger Clemens. Not a bad super to have. Roger Clemens. 1-of-1. Now, what do we have here? Okay, Yankees. So who we are going to be? We already have the Derek Jeter. We pulled that one. Devi Garcia rookie, 1-of-1 patch auto. Okay, so here we go with our cut auto. Let's see what we got here. King Henry the Fourth. Well, that's a pretty interesting one. Man, that is old timing, right? King Henry the Fourth. It's a nice cut. I can't complain about that. King Henry the Fourth. Nice looking cut there. It's not as, you can see it pretty good there. Can't really read what all he's saying there. Yeah, I'll just see if I can get someone to translate it out for me. But anyhow, nice cut. So that is our pulls for this one. We got the Debbie Garcia 1 of 1 patch auto, the Roger Clemens Superfractor 1 of 1, the Chipper Jones Deco Gold 1 of 1, the Ronald Acuna 1 of 1, and the Tony Gwynn 1 of 1, with King Henry IV as our cut auto. Okay guys, so hopefully you like these kind of breaks. If you do, hit the like and subscribe and we'll do some more. And if you want anything from this break, let me know. Hit me up, YouTube, eBay, Instagram, and we'll work something out. Thanks.